Hello guys, today I'm going to be ranting on Irma Frady Ant and Snort Fan. So this user has been a toxic go kid. Okay. I'll tell you the reason how she's a go kid. So she cyberbullies innocent users for no reason. And she cyberbullied me before. But I started to ignore her. She even searched up R34 of Frady and Springsters, which was disgusting. She even likes UTTP users, and I can even give you proof. See? You see this right here? She likes UTTP users. She even put me on the worst users ever. And LR Scroll 2. She even forced me to watch Frady the Ant. And I'll even show you proof. Here's proof. She even did this to me too. She even bashes people's opinion on Frady the Ant. She even casted me as Rosie. She even made IRL on me. And she harasses others too. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and bye.